So now that I have imported the data which was measured from previous video, you know that I have designed a route, performed some measurements with VD5 port of data collector and transferred them into VIPSenseQ software. Now I want to review the data that I've measured and see what can I do with these data. This is the route. For example, there were departments called Unit 100 and there was a pump in it. I choose the points. As you see, the photo which was assigned previously for this measurement location is shown here. The data value, which is nearly 1 G of RMS, the measurement value is shown here because it is lower than the alarm value. So I will have a green bar LED turned on. Here the time signal is shown with FFT spectrum. In time signal tab, I can see the RMS, peak to peak and crest factor of the measured signal. If I browse to the FFT spectrum, I can see that I have a red cursor. By moving them, the harmonic indicators all move. For example, you see there's a peak here at 158.8 Hertz. So I choose my cursor on it and I go to harmonics tab. As you see, the amplitudes and the frequencies of the 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x are all written in this table and calculated. And in peaks tab, I can see the first 5 peaks of the FFT spectrum, because this time my signal was a single sign data. So there's just one peak in my FFT and its amplitude and frequency is shown here. If I have had some previous measurements, I can use the load FFT and clear FFT to compare it with other points data, or for example, let's do it now. I do the load FFT, I choose for example another point, and because this was the same signal, it is now put on this FFT that shows me and gives me a comparison of the 2 points or a single point with a previously saved FFT. This is what we do in Route Loader tab of the software.